Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to add contact us page on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Shopify admin panel and go to online store and click on pages and click on add page and enter the page title here. And now enter those text you want to show on your contact us page, and now click on theme template and from here select contact and click on save. Okay, now go to navigation and here you'll find these two menu. One is footer menu, another is main menu. If you want to add your contact us page to footer menu, then open and click on add menu item and give here the menu name and click on this link box and from here select pages and select contact and click on add and then click on save menu. And now I'm going to preview my Shopify website. I'm going to bottom and here you can see the contact us page has been added, and if I click on it, and here you can see the contact us page has been added to my Shopify store. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.